Hey guys, the pool is the one place where the JBL Soundgear frames really do come into their own. You see, being able to swim in the pool and have the music on your ears is fantastic. Normally, to worry about having speakers, having music blasting out to the neighbours, having to change tracks is really difficult. But with JBL Soundgear frames, it's so easy. The IPX4 54 rated as well, which means I keep a splash on them. I shouldn't put them under the water necessarily, but I can control the music. So I press here now on the temple just there, and it plays the next track. So you can hear it's playing there at the moment. Now, so I do the next track, I just double press it. Plays the next one. If I want to stop it, I press again to put it on. So you can change tracks, move it forward, do all these kind of things with the frame. It really is amazing. So I'm just going to press it again now to bring it back on. And that's what the thing, by using the customizable controls to be able to do it, having the music there as well. Literally, I can just jump back in the pool now, have a swim, have a dance, and enjoy it. So if you hear the music, you probably can't because the sound leakage is pretty good on these. But aren't they a cool pair of sunglasses? And look, you hear that just so I just closed, I did it. That's it just there. So that's the playing just there. So when you turn it off, the Bluetooth goes. So you can open it up and then it repairs automatically just like that, which is really easy. Just doing that, look at the quality of the glass as well. See, you can see through the camera there too. See how it works. Look at that design and the quality there as well. So really lovely sunglasses. And there's the music back on again. So anyway, guys, I'm going to join my gym. And yeah, JBL Soundgear frames, perfect sunglasses for pool or the beach. And give you guys an idea, this is where I am at Surfers Paradise on the Gold Coast. Look at that view. Isn't it amazing?